Honestly, you guys, I'm just happy I followed my intuition, and something's been telling me to let go of some of my negative habits, some of my bad habits, and shed my skin into who I truly need to be in life. And I'm proud of myself. I wasn't really gonna put any of this out here and make any new videos, but I felt like, hey, there's other people going through what I'm going through as well, and you know, I just want to share some positivity. It's beautiful outside right now. I love the nature. Louisiana is super beautiful. The tone I want to set for 2023 is like growth and being more face forward with myself and being very blunt and honest with myself about things I feel like I need to improve, but at the same time not be super harsh on myself. I don't want to overthink anything. I love those. Those are beautiful. I'm probably not even gonna plan my videos like crazy. Like, I'm just gonna make them. I feel like life in the universe is gonna show me what I need to make, and I'm fine with that. But I just want to come share some nature with y'all. It's one of my peaceful places I like to come. Sometimes we're living life so fast that we don't stop and see the pelicans and birds and the water, and I just appreciate my life a lot right now. I encourage you to appreciate yours and everything it entails. It's okay to take a second and breathe air. I hope everyone's doing well. I hope you're happy. You know, if you're dealing with something in life, you're struggling with it, I pray that you prevail through that. And it's possible, man. So possible, but just got back into skating a good bit. My legs are super sore. I'm getting back on my push-ups. My arms are super sore. But with growth, sometimes it comes a little bit of pain, physical pain. That's fine. It's good times, man. I'm almost done editing the skate video I was editing when I was hanging out with some friends, and it's coming out pretty nice. Just baby steps. I want to try some new hobbies this year and things I've been interested in and things of that nature. Just have some time to reflect and take it in. Feels good. So beautiful outside. I like to throw some on Instagram stories time to time. Something slight. I've been trying to do them slower. Want to get back to doing planks. Ooh, shaky off of them. I struggle with letting myself recover. I struggle with that, so today I tried to not skateboard and not do push-ups, but look at me, still trying to do push-ups. I'd love to travel around the world and just go to beautiful places like this. There's so many beautiful places in the world. I was scrolling through Airbnb last night and all the featured ones are so beautiful. I seen something in Norway, something in France, something in Arizona. It's possible. Gotta manifest that. What is that? Wow. Man, animals are beautiful. What is that? I'm tired of letting my GoPro just sit around. It's time to use it. But that's about it. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Whoever watches it, watches it. I don't have any expectations for my videos. I don't care how many views they get. I don't want to put expectations on these. I just want to put them out there, see what happens.